Let's learn a new structure now. The new structure, actually this is the 23rd structure. The 23rd structure is I am looking forward. I am looking forward to. After I am looking forward to, we have to use V1 plus inform. V1 plus inform plus something. This is the structure. I am looking forward to. After I am looking forward to, we have to use only inform. Okay, now let's see how we can use this structure. This structure is used to express excitement or anticipation about something that is going to happen. What is the structure? This is used to express some excitement or anticipation. What is meant by anticipation? To guess about something that is going to happen. So here we guess something is going to happen. That means you are looking something is going to happen. Okay. Now let's see some examples. I am looking forward. I am looking forward to. After I am looking forward to, we have to use V1 plus inform. FOR. I am looking forward to seeing my family again. Seeing my family again. I am looking forward to going my vacation. Going to my vacation. I am looking forward to. Just a minute. I am looking forward to starting a new restaurant. I am looking forward to playing in the new match. I am looking forward to learning English grammar. I am looking forward to writing a new story. I am looking forward to explaining a new topic. I am looking forward to learning SAP FICO course. I am looking forward to attending communication classes. I am looking forward to finishing my graduation. I am looking forward to attending my friend's birthday party. I am looking forward to coming to India. I am looking forward to taking some rest. I am looking forward to finishing my new project. I am looking forward to opening a new branch. I am looking forward to starting a new business. I am looking forward to watching a new movie. I am looking forward to buying a new mobile. I am looking forward to going to bed. I am looking forward to visiting my bosom friend. I am looking forward to starting my own business. I am looking forward to starting my own business. I am looking forward to traveling to Europe. I am looking forward to traveling Europe. I am looking forward to trying to learn new language. I am looking forward to trying to learn a new language. I am looking forward to helping the poor. I am looking forward to finish this course. Finishing this course. Okay, thank you, friends. Let's meet in the new session for new structure.